This installation video is applicable for AFL's splice-on FuseConnect LC connectors on 2mm diameter cordage. These step-by-step instructions demonstrate the termination of the connector using a Fujikura 90S Plus fusion splicer. The LC FuseConnect connector includes the following materials: a boot unit, a protective sleeve, a ferrule unit, and a connector body. Always wear eye protection when handling optical fibers. Dispose of any cut or cleaved ends properly. Do not touch the cleaver wheel with bare hands. Begin by loading the ferrule unit into the right side of the fusion splicer. Place the cable into the correct size cordage clamp, about 10 inches from the end of the cable. Slide the connector boot and protective sleeve onto the cable, with the extended clear section of the sleeve towards the end. Strip 35mm of 2mm jacket from the cable, exposing the aramid yarn and 900 micron fiber. Cut the aramid to a length of precisely 23mm. While holding the aramid out of the way, strip 32mm of 900 micron and 250 micron coating off, exposing the bare fiber. Continue to hold the aramid out of the way of the bare fiber and clean the fiber with a lint-free wipe and fiber preparation fluid. Place the fiber into the 2mm fiber holder included in the FuseConnect accessory kit and close the fiber holder clamp. Load the fiber holder into a precision cleaver and cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber holder with the cleave fiber end from the precision cleaver. Load the fiber holder into the left side of the fusion splicer and close the wind protector. Splice the fiber to the FuseConnect connector. Once the splicer has performed a tension test on the splice, open the fiber holder and ferrule unit holder clamps. Continue to keep tension on the splice while removing it from the fusion splicer. Slide the protective sleeve over the splice so that it is flush with the ferrule unit. Make sure the portion of the sleeve with aramid is centered in the heater. Heat the protective sleeve. After allowing 1 minute for the sleeve to cool, remove the assembly from the heater. Remove the transfer cap. Slide the boot assembly up to the ferrule, keeping a light tension on the fiber at the back of the boot. The boot keyway will align onto the ferrule in only one direction. Slide the connector body onto the connector ferrule. The keys in the openings in the body should align. Push until a click is heard. Snap the protective cap off the transfer cap and place it onto the ferrule. The termination is now complete.